Hey guys, so we're down in Virginia and we're getting ready to do some hiking on the Appalachian Trail. And so we're on the Appalachian Trail headed to McAfee's Knob. And got Chief, Big Boy, and Missy ahead. Hopefully get some good shots for you guys this time. Considering last time I was on the trail here, I didn't even take one picture. I just hiked right past it, stopped, ate a snack, and kept moving. Cool. Here's the other board.
What's the name of it?
It's Wilderness Rocks. All one word, and the YouTube has NY on the end of it. Wilderness Rocks NY, New York, and our regular website. Wherever you want to put them, you know. Get you guys and Chief.
That one you can wrap around a tree too if you want.
Yeah, the Ultra Pod. That's why. Yeah. This is Mark. What's your name, man? Dan. I'm Joe. What was it? Chitwood. I'm Chief Daddy.
Chief Daddy.
Yeah, and that's Chief.
Yeah.
And this is Missy. I just said one day this is Chief and I'm Chief's daddy.
You like the whole trait?
Yeah, in 2008. I've just done this one once. I'd do it again in a heartbeat. I did that one in 2010. Is it the overhang under me yet? How far out is that? This far? I'm not going further. Heck no. sometime, right? I had a request online for some footage of him. How are you guys doing? Oh, you're almost there. So. Cheap buck. Don't eat him too much if you eat. Just get a little bite.
Let's go on this side. They always go on
Oh, is that a Adobe? Nice.
Yeah, beautiful.
I grew up with him. I was the only kid in the neighborhood that would jump in my neighbor's yard and go hang out with his Dobermans.
I wouldn't have had one when I was a kid. The whole like persona that surrounds me. I mean, there's definitely. I wouldn't want to get changed. But she.
He's trying. She's sweet. Go, Chief. Let's go. Go. So this is, give you guys a quick tour of this shelter. It's got a broom. I don't know what that is. Some kind of flashlight, looks like. It always does. Let's see, look what I just found. We're in the lean-to. We're at John's Spring lean-to.
just south of McAfee Knob at like 5 a.m. or something, 6 a.m. There's Chief. I'll give you a close-up of him. I always do my videos at night, so I'm going to do one in the morning. I can make this work. Chiefy. Chiefy. Chiefy, are you sleepy? What's up, buddy? Are you sleepy? Hey. Chiefy. Where's your doggy bone? You wanna go outside? Hey, Mr. Chief. Chief, come lay down. Stay on that one. Hey, buddy. What's going on? Is it too early?
Face is very shiny.
Is it too early?
It's like, don't look. The lace.
So we're packed up. I'm gonna head out. There's Missy's pack. Missy packing.
Yes. It always is like, it's not going to fit.
Here's mine. Putting trekking poles. That's about it.